Okay, Himanshu, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Is it good morning or good evening?
Sir, it's good evening. It's evening, but
But
as you said, good morning, so I have to reply in that.
okay, you have to reply in that way so that you generally confirm to the authorities.
No, it's not that thing.
Okay, just give a small introduction, Himanshu.
So my name is Himanshu Dave. I belong from Damoh, Madhya Pradesh. I studied my 10th class from Sri Guru Nanak School, and scored about 72%, 70%. And I done my 12th class from Nav Jagriti School, where I scored 72% in the 12th exam. After that, came to the college, IPS Academy, where I pursue mechanical engineering with an aggregate of 6.67 CGPA. After this, in my home there are my father, mother, and my younger brother. My father is a contractor, while my mother is a teacher, and my younger brother is right now is in 12th class. Thank you, okay, sir.
Okay, right. So this is a small introduction.
Yes.
Okay, and apart from that, tell me that what are the mischiefs you have done in your childhood, and then what is the happiest and the saddest point of your life till now, and who is closer to you, your father or your mother? What you have learned from your father and mother, and what is your contribution for your family works? What you contribute to your family, and tell me something about your involvement in achievements in sports also, and which game you prefer in these sports, right? And what you have learned from these sports activities, right? And some activities in your college life where you have failed, you remember, right? And when it happened that you compromise your studies for your extra co-curricular activities. Okay, start.
So I did.
You remember all the questions or not? How many questions you remember?
So about my studies, about my games,
Mm-hmm.
what contribution I gave in my family,
Mm-hmm.
and whatever matlab, what sacrifice I did in my studies while doing the extracurricular activities.
Okay, start.
So right, when starting from the start from my, what was the first question? Very first question. Sorry, sir.
Happiest and saddest point of time.
So as I said earlier, same. It was the same. My happiest moment was we got fifth rank in the go kart championship. Fifth rank in go kart championship in Bhopal.
Mm-hmm.
And same, the saddest moment was that my mother cried in front of me. So that was my saddest moment. And my contribution in my family is that I have my younger brother. So I have some responsibility towards him apart from being a elder brother, child of the family. As now he is going to pursue his college life. So I have to be as soon as possible get find a source of income for that, because to lower down my father's expenditures, because he already done whatever expenditure he wants to do on me. So that's why I have to do this. And if I talk about the sacrifice, which curricular activity showed that I
Because
sacrificed
of
that.
which activities you have sacrificed your studies.
Yes, sir. Sir, in the college time, I usually took parts in three consecutive championship. That was of go karting and making a buggy, in which college time I used to be in a workshop where we all as a team we used to fabricate that buggy and a go-kart. So at that time I feel that some point that I sacrifice some time that I can use it in a study. But on the contrary, whatever I did in practical, it was a part of my study, because whatever did I did, it gave me knowledge about the practicality what I have read on my on the books. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then games.
Yes, sir. Games is the most, sir. If I talk about games, games are the section where I didn't perform that much. I played the games, but didn't represent represent any school or college, because I usually hang out with people, and if I were I have played the games, so it was like, चल भाई आज खेलते हैं, चलते हैं, ये वाला, this type of game,
Mhm.
that I didn't represent on the college level or the school level, sir. So I didn't get that any chance to
Who's
get
close to you in your family?
close to me somewhere, sir. I can't say that this one is close, my father is close or my mother is close, because both the people have played their role very effectively for myself,
Mhm.
because my mother and my father my father played his role as father in my life, by providing his knowledge, and my providing whatever his work was towards me, he did that very well. And my mother is my source of that ethics kind of things.
Okay,
She
do you
gave me
smoke?
ethics. No, sir.
Anytime in the past life have you done the smoking?
In the past, yes, sir. I just in fifth class, sir. I was fascinated about this thing, that my Fuji was there. He was a smoker. At the fifth or fourth class, at that time, I didn't know this kind of thing is bad for us. So he used to take the bidi and go aside and do smoking of it. So I was thinking, what is this and how things work. In the curiosity, I did the same what he did, and take one sip. After that, the smoke got into the stomach and didn't come out back.
How you felt that time?
So, sir, it was
Good, bad, neutral? How was the experience?
not good, nor it was bad. I didn't feel anything that it would be good or bad in it. I just reacted on it, that I coughed
Mhm.
like this
Mhm.
only. That's
Do you
all.
have girlfriend?
No, sir. Right now, no. I don't
Right
have-
now you don't have. You didn't try?
No, sir.
You never tried?
No, sir.
You never tried to that, okay, I also make a girlfriend, no?
I never approached any girl for that reason, sir.
So you think that the girl should approach to you? You were waiting.
That will never happen. That girl will approach to me. Only in exceptional cases are there that.
Why it happened that, okay, when we said always why the boys only approach the girl, not the girl approaches the boys?
Because girl have some kind of ego issues like that.
So you think that the girls have the egos?
Everyone have their ego issues.
Girls have bigger ego.
No, men have bigger ego.
Why
Because
you say
ego,
that?
sir, ego means, I mean, there is a particular area where the ego arises and
What is
get
your
down.
opinion in that context? I'll just ask you the question. What is your opinion when we say that the girl should be given permanent commission in the forces? What is your opinion on that?
Girl should be given permanent opinion.
Yeah.
So, if woman is capable, being after giving birth,
Okay.
if she is giving capable to do